Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a coverage that might surprise you. It's called Credit Card Electronic Fund Transfer Card or Access Device Forgery and Counterfeit Money coverage. I know it's a long name, but it's actually a pretty simple and useful protection that comes with many homeowners' insurance policies. So if you've ever worried about someone stealing your credit card or getting stuck with fake money, this one is for you. Here's the deal. So this coverage pays up to $500 if you're legally responsible for unauthorized charges made with your credit card, debit card, or any other kind of electronic fund transfer card. It also covers you if someone forges your signature on a check or if you accidentally accept counterfeit money, specifically US or Canadian currency. It's one of those hidden benefits a lot of people don't even realize they have, but when you need it, you'll be glad it's there. Let's break it down a little more. Imagine someone breaks into your house and steals a few things, including your wallet with 3 credit cards inside. A few days later, you find out those cards were used to rack up a bunch of charges, $1,000 on each card for a total of $3,000. That's a huge mess. The good news is this coverage can help, but here's where it's important to understand how it works. Even though there were 3 cards and $3,000 in total unauthorized charges, the policy treats it as one loss. So it pays up to $500 for the whole thing. Still, $500 is better than nothing, and there's no deductible, which makes it even better. Now, there are some limits to this coverage, and it's important to know about them. First, it won't cover you if the person who made those unauthorized charges was someone living in your house. So if a family member who lives with you sneaks your debit card and goes on a shopping spree, this coverage wouldn't apply. It's also not going to cover you if you willingly handed your card over to someone and they misused it. That includes situations where you give someone your card to hold on to or even to borrow, and then they take advantage of that trust. Another important thing to know is that this doesn't cover anything related to business use or if you're dishonest yourself. And if you don't follow the terms and conditions of your card agreement, like failing to report the loss or theft of your card in time, you might lose out on this protection. So if your card issuer requires you to notify them within a certain time frame, make sure you do it. Otherwise, your homeowner's insurance isn't going to step in to help. Now, let's talk about forged checks and counterfeit money. If someone forges your name on a check and you're held responsible, this coverage can pay up to $500. And if you unknowingly accept counterfeit US or Canadian money, maybe it's payment for something you sold or even as change from a store, this coverage can reimburse you for that as well, up to $500. Again, no deductible applies to these situations either, which is a really nice perk. It's not a huge amount of coverage, but it's designed to be a little extra peace of mind for those smaller, unexpected situations. And the best part is it's often included automatically in your homeowner's insurance policy. Still, it's always a good idea to check with your agent. Make sure you understand exactly what's included and whether you might need more protection, especially if you deal with higher risks of identity theft or fraud. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content that helps make insurance easier to understand. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.